When you're supporting a light load with conduit and you want to do it fast, Garvin Industries manufactures a hammer-on beam clamp with spring steel tangs that bite into the top edge of the beam. On this particular model, we've riveted on a snap-on conduit hanger, so literally with just a hammer, you can hammer on the beam clamp, snap in the conduit, and you're done. It can be mounted either below the beam by hammering it on, or above the beam, like so. For this particular installation, I'm going to do it above the beam. You simply hold it in place where you want to install it, grab your hammer, and strike the back of the beam clamp so that the steel tangs bite into the beam surface. What's nice about our beam clamps is that they're riveted in place. The conduit hanger can be turned, and the conduit can be run either direction. Since we're running along the beam, simply take your conduit, align it with the conduit hanger, snap it into place, and you're done. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.